Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss one more theorem. Come write the statement. Use a property of determinants. Theorem. Use a property. Use a property of determinants. Use a property of determinants. Show that A and A transpose have same characteristic polynomial. Same characteristic polynomial. Let's write this one. Use a property of determinants. Show that A and A transpose have same characteristic polynomial. Come write. Proof. Consider a matrix. Consider a matrix A of order n by n. Consider a matrix A of order n by n, that is Aij n by n. Matrix A is Aij n by n. The characteristic equation of A is A minus lambda I equal to 0. The characteristic equation of A is A minus lambda I equal to 0. Next, I will consider one more matrix A transpose. Come right. Let us consider another matrix A transpose of order n by n. Let us consider matrix A transpose of order n by n. That is A transpose is equal to Aj of order n by n. Because we are transpose we are doing, rows becomes columns and columns becomes rows. Aj of order n by n. Now write. The characteristic equation is for this one. The characteristic equation is A transpose minus lambda I equal to 0. Equation number 2. The characteristic equation of A transpose is A transpose minus lambda equal to 0. Now, from equation 1 and 2 I can write from 1 and 2 A minus lambda I equal to A transpose minus lambda I. I equated equation 1 and 2. I got A minus lambda I equal to A transpose minus lambda I. Therefore, A and A transpose have same characteristic polynomial. Therefore, A and A transpose have same characteristic polynomials. Same characteristic polynomials. That's all. Very simple. Lesson ones. We have to use a property determinant. We have to use it. A and A transpose have same characteristic polynomial. We have to prove it. We have to prove A and A transpose have same characteristic polynomial. First, I consider matrix of order n by n. I consider a matrix of order n by n. Matrix of order n by n. Aij, each element represented with Aij of order n by n. Obviously, the characteristic equation of A is A minus lambda I equal to 0. Now, I am considering one more matrix, nothing but transpose. I am considering A transpose. I am considering. Obviously, rows becomes columns and columns becomes rows. But we are taking same matrix of order only. So, A transpose is equal to Aji. Again, order is same. N by n. The characteristic equation of A transpose is the characteristic equation of A transpose is the characteristic equation of A transpose is A transpose minus lambda equal to 0. Equation 1 and both are same. Right hand side are same, so I can equate it. Dat of A minus lambda equal to transpose of A transpose minus lambda I. Both are equal. So simply we are getting the characteristic polynomial of A and A transpose as same. So simply we can say A and A transpose have same characteristic polynomial. That's all. This theorem is over. Come on, copy it neatly. Copy it. Actually, this is practical 18. Practical 18. This theorem is practical 18. So we discussed practicals 16, 17, 18, 19 is over, and now practical 20. Sorry, 18 is over, now practical 19. Come on. Next question. It's over. The next question. Come on. Now, the next question is find the practical number 19. Practical 19, right. Find the characteristic equation of A. Find the characteristic find the characteristic equation of A where A equal to find the characteristic equation of A equal to 5 minus 2 6 1 5 minus 2 6 minus 1, second row 0 3 minus 8 1 0 3 minus 8 sorry 0 3 minus 8 0. Next 0 0 5 4 0 0 5 4. Next we have 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Yes, come right. Find the characteristic equation of A. Find the characteristic equation of A. A equal to 5 minus 2, 6 minus 1, 0, 3 minus 8, 0. 0054 0001. Come right. Solution. Given A equal to correct. The characteristic equation is the characteristic equation is modulus A minus lambda I equal to 0. The characteristic equation is modulus A minus lambda I equal to 0. So we have to write the matrix A minus lambda times of identity matrix of 4 by 4 matrix. I have to write of 4 by 4, 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. Come right. Implies A 5 minus 2 6 minus 1 0 3 minus 8 0 0 0 0 5 4 0 0 1 minus lambda times of 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 modulus nothing but determinant equal to 0. Come write this one. Matrix A 5 minus 2 6 minus 1 0 3 minus 8 0 0 0 5 4 0 0 1 minus lambda times of 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 identity matrix equal to 0. Come on, we'll do the subtraction. Here only I'll do it. Let's copy this one. Yes, and now here 5 minus lambda into 1 lambda. So 5 minus lambda. 5 minus lambda. Next we have minus 2 minus lambda into 0. So minus 2. 6 minus 0 6 minus 1. Next second row 0 minus 0 0. 3 minus lambda. Here we have minus 8, 0 means minus 8, 0 minus 0, 0. Second row is over. Third row, 0, 0, 5 minus lambda will get. 0, 0, 5 minus lambda, 4. Next, 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 0, 1 minus lambda. One minus lambda. Minus 1, 0, 4. 0, 1 minus lambda. Determinant is equal to 0. This lambda will affect only on diagonal elements only here. 5 minus lambda, 3 minus lambda, 5 minus lambda, 1 minus lambda. Remaining elements same. Minus 2, 6, minus 1, minus 8, 0. 0 only we have. That's all. Now we have to find determinant for this one so that we get characteristic polynomial. Implies, come on, find the determinant. 5 minus lambda into, leave that row and leave that column. Leave that row and leave that column, simply getting 3 by 3 matrix. 3 minus lambda, minus 8, 0, 0, 5 minus lambda, 4, 0, 0, 1 minus lambda. Actually, we can find the determinant either row wise or column wise. Either row wise or column wise. Here I am finding, if I do row wise, 5 minus lambda into again leaving the row and leaving the column, minus of minus 2 into again leave this row and leave this column and leave this row, plus 6 into again determinant of that one, and again minus 1 into minor. So 5 minus lambda into its minor, we have to multiply it. But here I am doing the determinant column wise. I am doing. I am finding the determinant by column wise because all these elements are 0. So no need to do it. So it is enough to do it only for first element. 5 minus lambda. Okay, 5 minus lambda. And now come on. We have to find the determinant for this one. 5 minus lambda into leave this column and leave this row. Remaining 9 elements are wrote here. And next here 0, 0, 0 we have. So obviously no need to find. So simply we have to find 5 minus lambda into this one equal to 0. Yes. Now 5 minus lambda into, come on, write the determinant for this one over 5 minus lambda into first element 3 minus lambda into leave this row and leave this column. Simply we have 5 minus lambda 4, 5 minus lambda 4, 0, 1 minus lambda. Again here also find determinant like this column wise. So equal to 0. 5 minus lambda, we have to find determinant for 3 by 3 matrix. 3 minus lambda into leave this row and leave this column. 5 minus lambda 4, 0, 4 minus lambda I have to find. I am not doing row wise, I am doing column wise because these two elements are 0. So no need to find. 3 minus lambda into AD minus BC plus 8 into AD minus BC plus 0 we have to do it. I am doing column wise, I am doing, so it is enough for do single element. I did for single element over. Now I have to find the determinant. 5 minus lambda into 3 minus lambda into AD minus BC. 5 minus lambda into 1 minus lambda is equal to 0. So all our product elements are we getting 5 minus lambda, 3 minus lambda, 5 minus lambda into 1 minus lambda equal to 0. Count copy up to here. And he has to find characteristic polynomial. If you ask a characteristic equation, all these are product only we have, factorized it we have. So obviously I can say lambda equal to 5, 3, 5, 1. 4 roots we can say. But this problem he asked characteristic polynomial he asked. So obviously we have to find the product for this one. Let's copy this one up to here. Okay. And now so we are here. Five minus lambda into 5 minus lambda. So 5 minus lambda whole square. And one more. 3 minus lambda into 1 minus lambda. 3 minus lambda into 1 minus lambda equal to 0. We have to multiply this one. 5 minus lambda whole square into 3 minus lambda into 1 minus lambda equal to 0. Let's come on, find it. First 5 minus lambda whole square, a minus whole square, 25 plus lambda square minus 10 lambda over second product of 2. I will do it first. 3 into 1, 3 1 are 3. 3 into minus lambda minus 3 lambda minus 1 lambda into 1 minus lambda plus lambda square equal to 0. Second one I can factorize it. I can simplify it. Minus 3 lambda minus 4 lambda I can write. So 20, I will write in order. Lambda square minus 10 lambda plus 25, and then here lambda square minus 4 lambda plus 3 equal to 0. Lambda square minus 10 lambda plus 25. lambda square minus 4 lambda plus 3 equal to 0. Come on, simplify it. First, lambda square of the term, lambda square minus 4 lambda plus 3 minus 10 lambda times of again same lambda square minus 4 lambda plus 3 plus 25 times of lambda square minus 4 lambda plus 3 equal to 0. Now simplify it. Lambda square into lambda square, lambda power 4 minus lambda square into 4 lambda cube, lambda square into 3 lambda square minus 10 lambda cube, minus into minus plus 10 4 is 40 lambda square plus into minus 10 3 is 30 lambda. Once check here, lambda into lambda square, lambda power 4, lambda square into minus 4 lambda cube, lambda square into 3 lambda square. Second term, minus 10 lambda into lambda square minus 10 lambda cube, minus into minus 4 minus into minus plus 10 4 is 40 lambda square minus 10 into 3 minus 30 lambda plus 25 lambda square minus 25 4 is 100 lambda plus 25 3 is 75 equal to 0. Come copy it. Implies lambda power 4, we have only one lambda power 4 is there, degree 4 I wrote. Next cube, minus 4 lambda square minus 10 lambda square, minus 4 lambda square minus 10 lambda square is minus 14 lambda cube. Once again, minus 4 lambda cube minus 10 lambda cube minus 14 lambda cube over. Next lambda square, 3 40 25, this 65 plus 3 68 lambda square, Next lambda we have to see, minus 30 lambda minus 100 lambda minus 130 lambda, and we have only numerical values as 75 we have, 25 3 is 75 equal to 0. Come on, check it once. Lambda power 4 minus 14 lambda cube plus 68 lambda square minus 130 lambda plus 75 equal to 0. This is the characteristic polynomial. Characteristic equation is equal to 0 is the characteristic equation. Come on, right? Therefore, the characteristic equation is lambda power 4 minus 14 lambda cube plus 68 lambda square minus 130 lambda plus 75 equal to 0. That's all. Let's go and copy it. Let's come and copy it fast. The characteristic equation is lambda power 4 minus 14 lambda cube plus 68 lambda square minus 130 lambda plus 75 equal to 0. And now I'll give one more problem as homework. Do it. Okay? Problem is over. Practical problem is over. Next problem for homework. Copy it. Find the characteristic polynomial and characteristic values. Find the characteristic polynomial and characteristic roots. Characteristic polynomial and characteristic roots for the following matrix. Find the characteristic polynomial, characteristic equation and characteristic roots for the following matrix. A equal to, first bit, A equal to 6 minus 2 0 minus 2 9 0 5 8 3 5 8 3. A equal to 6 minus 2 0 minus 2 9 0 5 8 3. And one more bit, B, one more matrix, okay, one more matrix, A equal to 5 minus 2 3 0 1 0 6 7 minus 2. A equal to 5 minus 2 3 0 1 0 6 7 minus 2. For these two problems, you have to find characteristic polynomial, characteristic equation and characteristic roots. We have to find three, you have to find characteristic polynomial, characteristic equation and characteristic roots. So, almost this unit is over. In the next class, we will discuss one or two problems, that's all, not more than that. So that second unit will be completed. We have one more unit is there, third unit, that also will continue within 1 or 2 days. Almost 90% is over. Just left maybe 1 or 2 problems that you have to practice. Of course, I'll do on the board also. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the interactive class. Okay. So today we discussed how to find characteristic polynomial, characteristic equation, characteristic roots. Already what we discussed in the earlier classes. That's all. That's enough for today.